I think you have to go back to the endless summer. When that all happened in the 60s, it created this fantasy. And I think it's everybody's fantasy. Just go find a perfect wave.
Probably the main reason for the current popularity and the continued popularity of the sport of surf and the industry of surfing is the lifestyle.
OP is one of the most important and successful brands worldwide in the surfing and the action sports industries.
If you look across the landscape of all the companies in the surf industry today, they're run by very passionate people. They're passionate about surfing, they're passionate about the fashion industry, and they're passionate about the environment. But that's one common thread through all the businesses.
Creativity in Dick's case comes from him having a vision initially for OP when he took the job as to where this brand was going to go and where this company was going to go.
It's a great story, and you know what? Our industry is the better for it because we needed people like that came from the traditional garment industry to show us some other ways to do it.
Today, being creative is the business, and you can't be competitive today without being creative.
He's an idea guy that can come up with 20 or 30 ideas in one conversation.
And then he leads, and stay out of his way, because he charges.
He is a smart man. You don't get to a position like Dick gets to without being intelligent, but he's a fun guy.
I'm a 100% risk taker.
Dick's totally cool.
When I first came here 5 years ago, I became known as the suit in the industry.
I call him our New York token surf suit.
Dick lives his surfing lifestyle vicariously through work and vicariously through his wife and his boys.
My family is my haven, and I have two small boys and my wife. My family surfs 4 days a week. We are completely born again via the sport of surfing, and it's a great lifestyle. And as hard as I work and as much as I travel, I look forward to the time with my family.
Sometimes I think he wants to pinch himself and go, is this really real? As a result, I think that he's way happier working in the surf industry in California. Dick Baker's is the ultimate fantasy.